Okay, let's continue. So we're gonna handle pickup and equip items, but before that, let me update the code a little bit. I received this comment. So how would you make it so the description sub-window disappears if the cursor is hovering over a blank slot? So this is a nice question, and the solution is actually quite simple. So this is where we created the description sub-window. So you just need to move this line inside of this if statement. Then it creates a sub-window only when you are selecting an item. Let's check. Yeah, like this. So now the description window shows up only when you are selecting an item. Yeah, I think I like this better, so thank you for the comment. Okay, and item pickup. So to do that, I'm gonna place some random objects on the map. Okay, so asset setter, and I'm gonna place like 3 keys. I think I wanna use this index I here as well. So 1, 2, 3 keys. Yeah, something like this. Okay, 3 keys. And then go to the player class. Yeah, this method, pickup object. Yeah, we created a long time ago, but haven't used for a while. And first we need to check if player's inventory is not full. If inventory.size not equal. So here we use this inventory size variable. Oh, max inventory size, I think. So if player's inventory is not full, then we can add the item. So inventory dot add. So here we're gonna get the object with this index I. And okay, I think I'm gonna play sound effect. Play SE and index 1, I think. So this is like a coin sound. Also, we're gonna display some text message. We're gonna create this string. So text equal got a gp.obj i.name plus, and if inventory is full, then player cannot pick up this item, so we're gonna display a different message. You cannot carry anymore. And finally, we're gonna pass this text to this add message, and then okay, so we set this object null. Yeah, like this, I think. So let's check. Okay, got the key. Oh, oops, got the key, got the key. Alright, so we have 3 more keys now. Okay, next let's try switching player's equipment. And to do that we need more equipment, so I prepared this axe image and blue shield image. So let's copy these to this object package. And okay, create a class. So object obj axe contains entity. Okay, first name, like wood cutters axe, and image call setup objects axe, and the size is tile size. And attack value, so I'm gonna set 2 to this one, so it's stronger than this normal sword. And by the way, I totally forgot to add attack area to weapons. So we created this attack area, and I just placed this like a placeholder numbers, but actually we can set this attack area on weapons. So each weapon has a different attack range. So if it's this normal sword, attack area dot width equal, yeah, like the 36. That height equals 36. Okay, I think I wanna move this here. And okay, so for this axe too, for this axe I want to set a shorter range than sword, so like 30. And okay, go back to player, and now we can delete this placeholder, and instead we're gonna set, I think, in this get attack method here, so we type like this: attack area equal current weapon dot attack area. So whenever we call this get attack method, we can update our attack area as well. Okay, so axe is okay now. Then let's place this axe somewhere. I don't know, somewhere around here. 3321. 3321. Alright, so axe is here. Got the woodcutter's axe. Oh, I forgot to add description. Description equal a bit rusty, but still can cut some trees. Okay, line break right here. Okay, so now we are equipping this normal sword, but we want to switch our weapon to this woodcutter's axe. Alright, go to this UI class. So inside of this drawing player's item for loop, first we draw equip castle. Equip castle. If gp.player.inventory.get index I equal gp.player.current weapon. What the frick? And or also that player.inventory.get I equal gp.player.current shield. Then okay, first we select color, new color, and I'm gonna choose like yellow, orange like color, and then g2 dot fill round rect, and okay, slot x, slot y, and width is tile size, height is also tile size, and arc is 10 10. Okay, let's check. Like this. So the current equipment are highlighted. Now let's switch equipment. To switch player's equipment, first we need to know if it's weapon or shield. So okay, in this entity class, I think we can use this type. We're gonna set weapon type, shield type. I think I'm gonna create integer to each number. So just like we did for the game state. I think that's better. Okay, I think I'm gonna move this type like here. Type. And okay, so public final int type player 0, public final int type npc equal 1, final int type monster 2, public final int type sword equal 3, public final int type axe equal 4, public final int type shield equal 5. And one more thing, public final int type consumable equal 6. Like this. And so instead of typing this like 2, we're gonna use this instead. We haven't used this player and NPC type, and I don't even know if we're gonna ever use these, but we are using this type monster. So let me fix this real quick. So the green slime, so we are typing a number manually, so instead we use this integer variable. And also I think one more situation here. So contact player, this is also type monster. And okay, also I'm gonna set type to this equipment too. So type equal type sword, and axe is axe, and also shield, so wood shield, so this is shield. Now we are ready. So then we create a new method in this player class. Anyway, it's fine, but like after this check level up, public void select item, and first we get the item index of the currently selected slot. Int item index, or we can use that method that we created. So get item index on slot, and then if item index is smaller than inventory.size, so which means we are selecting an item, so we're not selecting a vacant slot. Okay, entity selected item equal inventory.get item index. If we are selecting an item, we check its type. So if selected item dot type equal type sword or selected item type equal type axe. Then current weapon equal selected item, and we call that attack get attack method. So we update player's attack, and also if selected item dot type equal type shield. Selected item. Then current shield equals selected item, and okay, defense equal get defense. Also, we're gonna create one more condition: selected item dot type equal type consumable. Why I always forget to type D. And okay, we're gonna use this later. This is okay for now, and then we're gonna call this method by pressing enter key. So go to key handler. So character state method if code equal key event dot vk enter. Then we're gonna call that method player dot select item. Okay, let's check. Okay, pick up item axe and select this axe and press enter. So we can switch the weapon like this. Yeah, so you can see player's attack change and also this weapon graphic. Okay, let me create another shield too, so we can check if we can switch shield to class obj shield blue. And okay, let me just copy this and alright, paste and change the name. Oh yeah, extends entity. Okay, so this is blue shield blue, and the defense value is 2. Description is I don't know, shiny blue shield or something. And okay, place this item. Shield. Okay, so 35. Alright. Got the blue shield. So switch. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's working. Okay. So now we can switch weapon and shield. But now I wanna add one more function. So since player is having a different kind of weapon now, it would be nice if he has a different attack sprite. He's still swinging a sword, and this looks a bit strange, I think. So I have prepared these swinging axe images. So I'm gonna copy these images, and now go to this get player attack image method. And here we add if statement. So if current weapon dot type equal type sword, then we get these sword attacking images. And okay, copy and paste. But if the type is axe, then we get what is it? Axe. So these axe images. Yeah, like this. Okay, then call this from this select item method. So when he changed his weapon, we're gonna call that method. So get player attack image. So we're gonna update his attack images as well. Okay, let's check. Okay. Okay, get the axe. And now player is swinging a sword. And let's switch to the axe. Okay, now player is swinging the axe. So yeah, he has a different attack animation. And finally, we take care of using item function. So to test this, I have prepared this potion image. So copy this and create a potion object. Obj potion red. Type equal type consumable. Name equal red potion. Image equal setup. Objects potion red. Tile size gp.tile size. Description equal red potion. And here's your life by okay. I think I wanna create a variable like value. So this means a healing value. So I'm gonna set 5. And okay, so value. And also we're gonna create a method here. Public void use. You're gonna get entity. So this method handles, what's gonna happen if you use this item. In this case, first I'm gonna change game state to dialog state. Okay, we need game panel. So game panel gp this gp equal gp. Okay, dialog state and display a message UI dot current dialog equal you drink the name line break. Your life has been recovered by value. Something like this. So entity dot life plus value. And also I wanna play some sound effects. So gp dot play se. So the index is okay. For now I'm gonna use this power up sound. So index 2. Oh, and also an if statement. So if player's life is greater than his max HP, Then yes, max life. We're gonna set his player his life to max HP. And also don't forget to create this use method in this entity as well. So public void use entity. Yeah, we don't need to type anything inside because we're gonna override it in the player class, but we still need this. Then go to this player class. So when we selected this consumable item, we're gonna call that use method. Selected item dot use and pass entity. So we're gonna pass this player class. And after that, we're gonna remove this item from the inventory. So inventory dot remove item index. Okay. Potion red somewhere around here. So 20 to 27. 20 to 27. So let's check. So yeah, red potion, got the red potion. Use your life by 5. Okay, so let's receive damage so we can heal him. Ouch. So player's life is 2 and use potion. So drink the red potion, your life has been recovered by 5. So we can heal him. Okay, I think that's it for now. So now we can pick up items and use items and also change equipment, our weapon and the shield. Yeah, I'm glad that I could pull this off. And in the next video, I think we will handle item drop. So when you kill the monster, it randomly drops an item. And maybe add some more monsters and items for that. Thanks for watching and until next time.